Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for the stock market to see the indexes, what they do and what they might do next. So basically today in the live stream we mentioned we have to be careful. If we see a rebound after of course this drop, we might see of course higher prices. If we stay above of course this low here, which is of course the 22k 959, if the price still above it, you still have the potential of course to move for higher in two possibilities. The first possibility is an A, B and a C here for a 1-to-1 fib level continuation towards the downside after all, and breaking it of course meaning bullish here, which is the second scenario of course for a running flat reversal for the market, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, finishing 5 waves toward the downside. Currently we have to keep counting it as 5 waves unless of course we take the low. Therefore directly we shift the wave 3 4 and a 5. Of course the wave 5 might hit the target, which is the wave C as an ABC expanding flat. Yep, that was it for Nasdaq. Very simple. Two scenarios are in place though. I would say three. Two of them is ABC and continuation toward the downside. The second is continuation for higher. The third is simply continuation towards the downside from there. The highest possibility right now is of course to test the 1-to-1 fib level, since we see a rebound here in this area and I see kind of like a 1 2 3 4 5, so potentially can be careful with it of course. So we might see something unfolding as ABC and to testing the 23k 430. For the SPX here 500, we are looking at well as the same scenarios, but the difference is that you don't have the same 5 waves as per Nasdaq. We have here simply 1 2 3, probably very short wave 3 hitting only the 1.27, and then of course moving probably of course again for a massive wave 5 towards the downside, which can be extended here, hitting of course the wave C, or even a wave 5 can be short. Don't forget that this is gonna finish a 5 waves in the testing area for a reversal, running flat A, B and a C, and then continuation toward the upside. And of course if this happened, 5 waves down hitting the testing area with a failure to reach the low, that means of course it's a running flat. We might see continuation impulsively for higher prices. Again of course we're gonna test what's gonna happen. Now basically if in case we are continuing toward the upside from here after 3 waves, probably can turn into a correction here in continuation for higher prices directly, meaning what if we have a zigzag here potentially at 1-to-1 fib level to be tested if broken. Therefore we have to consider of course that we are bullish, and of course invalidation of bearish here is the best signal for this case scenario, 6435. This might be your signal that we might see higher prices. Yep, so these are the updates for Nasdaq and SPX. Let's watch what's gonna happen. Of course, again, the highest possibility is for the zigzag right now, and we're gonna take it from there, whether down or up. Of course, the price decision is gonna be there. If we see lower, well, we are already in the trend, right? So that the trend direction is already to downside. That was it for SPX and Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.